Dígait YouTube chun sa tátu. Tá mé go maith agus tá mo grúga gurm go jazz. Oh, díu guidirí I'll go with Carciwilt. Never mind. I was trying to say it's shocked in the Gaeilge. The words don't seem to come to me though. Anyway, maybe for the next video. So, as you can see, I have my hair blue, finally. It's more of a darker blue than I would like, but I think it works well, don't you? The initial attempt was for kind of a light blue, almost as light as the colour of my camera. But when we got down to it, it came out a very washed out turquoisey, little bit green, and then there was just so much bleach in the age of my hair. Apparently the colour wouldn't grip to it. So we decided not to hell with this, we'll make it more uniform and make it darker. So, that's that. As I say, it took 2.5 hours. The staff at Tony and Guy were very friendly. Thank you to Anthony, my primary stylist, and I can't remember your name, but for the love of me, the lady with the pinky blonde hair, which I love, by the way. It looks fabulous. Might be my next shade. Yes, back to business. I'll put a link for my charity page here. I don't know whether the annotations let me do links to external sites, but anyway, it'll be down below. Anyway, so yeah. I have €25 in donations online, and I have €10 from my good friend Ashley, who sponsored me after the run amok, which went well. I'm still relatively well healed from it afterwards. I'll update you on all that in the next video. As I said before, every little helps, and anything you can give is appreciated. In our lifetime, the majority of us will know at least one person who contracts cancer. So, wouldn't you rather give something to help them? Wouldn't you rather be the one that helps? I found this great quote at an event I was at yesterday with the Spots vs Stripes campaign, and it's about 4 people named everybody, anybody, somebody, and nobody. And if I can find it all. I think I put it in this one. About 50 different windows open on my computer at the moment. Here we are. This is a story about 4 people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. The important job... Hang on, make this easier. There was an important job to be done, and everybody was asked to do it. Everybody was sure somebody would do it. Anybody could have done it. But nobody did it. Somebody got angry about that, because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought anybody could do it. But nobody realised that everybody wouldn't do it. In the end, everybody blamed somebody, and nobody did what anybody could have done. Do you want to be one of those people who in your lifetime statistically will know somebody who has cancer or who gets cancer at some stage in their life? I know one person. That person, I think, knows another person. That's 2. So, every little helps. As it said in my first video, and I'll put it up again, €2 can pay for a booklet for people to help understand their cancer. Cancer affects 1 in 3 people in Ireland. That's staggering. That's more than the percentages for gay people. I think they're still at 1 in 10. 1 in 10 people in Ireland will be gay, or are gay. €22 can pay for a passport given to the parents of every child that is diagnosed with cancer to help them follow and participate in their child's treatment. That means that the parents of the children who have cancer, not the grown-ups, not anybody else, but the children who suffer from this, can play an active part and follow and help their children through the traumatic times ahead. €85 will help us keep cancer information leaflets in GP surgeries and clinics throughout Ireland. Something as simple as having something like this in a surgery that says, this is treatable, this is what we can do to help, this is what you can do to help other people. It's not that much to ask for. €100 covers the cost of at least 4 calls through the Cancer Information Services for newly diagnosed patients, the number of which I'll put up here. €350 ensures that a person who is seriously ill can receive a night of care from a nurse in their own home. We all know from past experience that treatment at home helps improve the quality of life for a patient, regardless of what they're suffering from. We're all most comfortable in our own homes. And finally, €500 can train a volunteer to provide emotional and practical support to people with cancer at any stage of their journey. €358,065 funded cancer patients who had a genuine financial difficulty in meeting the costs of travelling to their appointments in 2011. €358,000 helped people get the treatment they need. At the moment, on the My Charity collection page, there are over €500,000. It's nearly 600,000, I think, raised so far. Every little helps, and you can make the difference. A couple of euros from something you've given up for Lent, a chocolate bar. 80 cents for a chocolate bar. At that, one day a week. That's 5, 7, 8, 56, €5.60. €6 a week. In just that once can make such a difference. I'm sorry I'm rambling on. This is just a really important cause. It's one of the things that we can help with in the littlest of ways. So, again I say, every little helps. My Charity page will be down below, and if it works, I'll put a link here. If you want to corner me in public, and if you've seen these videos, please definitely just come up to me, say I like them. Whether you like them or not, I don't mind. You can tell me you hate them. You can tell me that the sight of me and my hair repulses you, but that you would like to give me a donation. According to the statistics from my last 2 videos, these videos are being seen around the world. I have hits in Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, Chile, Brazil, to name but a few. Canada, North America, Europe, everywhere. My videos have been seen everywhere. I haven't even dared contemplate how many other people are watching everyone else's videos. So I'll leave you with this. If you only ever hear of one person having cancer, if you only ever hear your friends speak about it, and know that you can do something, wouldn't you? If you can do one little thing to make life easier for somebody else, isn't it worth a small amount of your money? What little you might have. I wish there was more we could do, and there is. But in this time, for this campaign, every penny, every cent helps. So please, give what little you can. Gurv Mila Mahagut, August Songafo.
I want to talk to you.
The last time we talked, Mr. Smith, you reduced me to tears. I promise you it won't happen again.
Do I attract you? Do I repulse you with my queasy smile? Am I too dirty? Am I too flirty? Do I like what you like? I could be wholesome, I could be loathsome, guess I'm a little bit shy. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me without making me try? I try to be like Grace Kelly, but all her looks were too sad. So I tried a little little Freddy. I've got an entity mind.
Getting angry doesn't solve